So, hey guys, this is my last lock. I can't believe it myself. I'm about to take it out. I'm gonna take it out. So my first couple of locks did not come out like I wanted it to, and here it's just me looking at the back like, oh, it's not too bad, it's not too bad. I ripped out 2 locks in the middle by accident, and here I am like, it's not that bad, just as long as you don't rip out any more. Alright y'all, it's kind of bad, but what can I do? They go. It's me more, and I am here with a video. This is what I've accomplished in about 4 days. This is how far I can probably go. But yeah, this is my hair. And then if I take a lock, we are a little bit longer than a lock. But yeah, now I'm about to take out as much as I can today. I'm excited and I want these locks out. I'm ready for a new start. I'm excited. So yeah, I'm about to finish taking these locks out. I'm about to be a loose natural again. This should be exciting. So I have gone through quite a few combs, and this one has been working best for me. I got it from Sally's. Yeah, it just cut the time down tremendously. And then this. I tried soaking my locks, but it just doesn't work for me. So just spraying my lock, putting conditioner and combing it out has been working great for me. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all since I'm standing here. Which one are we doing? Yeah, I guess we can do this one. So what I have been doing is just spraying the lock, and I twist it. Ooh, I always do that. I twist it so that, you know, I'm talking. Okay, I do use the end of the comb to kind of poke through, which I can see what I'm doing. And then I take the comb and I start combing out, pulling it out and loosening it up a little bit. And I try to be gentle, but I'm a little impatient and a little bit rough. So sometimes I comb it out and sometimes I don't. And I twist my lock every couple of, you know. And I find it works better when I twist my lock. Keep doing that. You know, I comb, I poke, comb, poke. And I just keep doing that until it is unraveled before I just start using this part of the comb for the whole lock until I get stuck on a knot or something, you know? So what happened was I just didn't feel like combing them out, and so I would do like 1 or 2 every couple of days, sometimes every other week. About to start, but before I start, I really wanted to show you guys where I was. So far, I'm retaining a bit of length, but to be honest with y'all, it's a very tedious process. Today, I at least want to get through I at least want to get through these, these right here. Yeah, I have a lot to go. I have so much, but let me show you the back. Don't talk about me. Let me get the mirror so I can make sure I'm showing y'all. Okay. So I combed out about 3 rows. Yeah, so I combed out about 3 rows, and this is what I'm left with. And then I kind of just want to get, you know, like these out of the way. But to be 100% honest, I am going to comb out until I'm like absolutely exhausted. I am rewatching Grey's Anatomy. So I'm basically switching between Grey's Anatomy and Criminal Minds, and I'm just combing and watching or whatever. My birthday is in a couple of days, and I hope to have them all out by my birthday. Hey y'all, I'm back. So last night I took out a good bit, but I ended up falling asleep before before I can record it. But ooh, I can't wait for a good old wash. But I'm officially halfway. Yeah. And just so yeah, I'm halfway done. This is what it looks like. I'm about to get some food real quick, and yeah, I am gonna go outside like this, and I have food to last me for the rest of the weekend while I hopefully knock everything out. And y'all know I started my channel off of like natural hair and stuff like that. That was before I even knew how to take care of it for real. But yeah, I'm excited to be on this loose natural journey as a grown woman. And as a woman who cares about, you know, taking care of her hair and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't even know what day this is, but y'all, I think it's I'm tired. This is my fingers hurt, and it's, yeah. So I had to go to school today, so I had to do something, but I still have locks in. Still have locks in. It has been, I had to finesse the hair. Like, I couldn't be walking around with half locks and half loose natural. I'm about to wash my edges right here simply because the gel, I ended up pulling out hair over on my sides because the gel got stuck. But yeah, this is the hair. Let's take it. It's dry. I can't wait to wash it after this. Because baby, it is dry. It is dry. comes out right now. Woo. Yeah, that's my hair. I have this left.
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, we have 14 locks left. And we are about to do it all.
I look really rough, but I'm about to come out my last lock. Bottom. 5 minutes in. Okay, y'all, so I am officially finished. I'm so glad because I'm so ready for this hair to be from all over the place. Like, it's literally everywhere. I used 2 bottles of this completely. There is nothing left. I was struggling for the rest of it. It took a long time, hours upon hours upon hours upon hours. So if you don't have the patience, sister, brother, don't do it. It took a lot. It took a lot, but I am finally done. I'm gonna do some homework and then wash my hair, twist it on up, and then make me an appointment. So yeah.